Hi guys, once again I am here with a very important update regarding Accenture onboarding. Okay, so many candidates just have a doubt that whether onboarding will be virtual or they need to physically report to the location. So let me clarify it. Mostly have got their onboarding as virtual. Okay, so as you see here, they receive a mail from Accenture that is subject name as Accenture virtual onboarding and a document session. So yeah, the date mentioned here is 11th August, and what they have to do in the mail, it is reference that your first day is fast approaching and we hope you are looking forward to getting started. Please install the Microsoft Team app. Okay, so the onboarding session will be conducted on a Microsoft Team app. They need to install it. Now let me just brief it out that there is a document briefing session also that has been scheduled by Accenture, and what they have to do on your first day, what kind of a document, what they have to do. So let me just read it out for you. You need to log in using your personal mail ID and a password, and you need, if you don't remember your password, you need to just forget and you will regenerate a new password. Okay, then you need to complete your online form and you need to upload the document on action item page. So yeah, you have to do it. You have to upload the document on action item page as you see here. Now moving on to point 3, what you need to do, you need to print all the completed form. Okay, suppose how you can print, by the print button on the action item page and bring them with you on your first day. If completed form are not printed, you will need to manually fill them out again in person. So you need to just print the form whatever you have filled. Okay, the onboarding is virtual, but while reporting you have to just bring the hard copy of that printed form, and you are also required to upload the copy of your pan and Aadhaar card. Okay, so this is the thing that you can do on your countdown to Accenture portal, and it's work from home, but they may call you for a physical onboarding also. So you need to be prepared. You need to just be prepared with your document and all. You need to take a print or a hard copy of that so that you can submit it out there. So it is the complete information regarding onboarding. That is, you can also see that the mail has come that Accenture virtual onboarding and a document session. Okay, so many have just got their virtual onboarding and some has got their physical onboarding. So those who have got their physical onboarding, they need to just download and print all the document and just take it with them at their location, joining location. Okay, so I hope this video might help you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and once again thank you for watching the video.